Big old freak, big booty, big old tree. I'ma make them wait for the.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is OreChanté, and if you're just joining me for the first time, you're welcome. So in this video, I'm going to be using the Dia Rose mask to mask my face, but the main purpose of this video is to show you guys how I install my crochet faux locs that I made by myself. So I made the crochet faux locs myself, and then I installed it on my head myself. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I was actually inspired by Halle Bailey, the young beautiful lady who was chosen to act in the Little Mermaid Ariel's live action movie coming up soon. And we all know that Halle Bailey has locks on her hair. Her natural hair is locked, and my own hair isn't locked. My hair is just natural, and I had my big chop like a year and 8 months ago, so it's not super long yet. And I just feel people who have locks are so committed. Like it is a commitment. Oh my goodness, do I have the patience? So now I've left my face mask on. I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes, and we're going to dive into the video now. So you can see I've done my hair already, most of it, and I just have 3 strands left. So I did the entire thing myself, so I had to wash my hair, then I began to pat my hair I had to super moisturize my hair also, because my hair is super kinky, and you know, you have to just really moisturize kinky hair so that it doesn't break. And then you need your scissors, you need your crochet pin, and then you most definitely need your faux locs. So now I'm just losing out one of the twist outs I did. You know, I didn't follow any basic pattern. It was just free pattern. You know, I didn't want to follow, because most times people with locks don't have like really extraordinarily defined parts. Not all of them, but most of them. And I'm just going to twist out my hair now. I didn't want to braid it, but you could braid it. I just don't like braiding so often, because the last time I braided my hair, when I was doing an installation with faux locs, when I was loosening my hair, I cut it, and it was just a bit of it, but it really hurt. So like, it hurt me that I cut my hair. Anyways, now I just do my twist out, then I would start the installation. Most definitely you would need your crochet pin, like I said already, and the faux locs you've already made. I'm going to post a video on how I made the crochet faux locs by myself. It's very similar to the traditional method, like I said before, so it isn't really soft like the ones we buy from the beauty supply stores that are really soft and, for lack of use of a better term, I can almost say flimsy. And then yeah, that's basically it. So I'm going to start my installation now. So first things first, you need to pass your crochet pin through the loop of your faux locs that you've already created on the faux locs, and then you're going to place your twist out, one of your twist out, on your on the hook, and then close it, and then pass it through the loop, just like, you know, you would do with any other thing, like when you're crocheting, with knitting with the crochet pin and a wool, or even with your hair when you're doing the basic method of doing crochet faux locs. So you're going to wrap it now. You're going to wrap it around your faux locs extension that you have made, just to secure it properly. Now the thing with this is that you can't leave the hair just, you know, laying like that after wrapping it around the faux loc strand, because it's going to look pretty tacky. So you may need to rewrap that strand again, like I did with the other ones, with a piece of the kinky hair you've bought, or the Marley hair you've bought, or the Afro twist hair you've already gotten, and then it just helps give more like a seamless finish. Now, there's no hard or fast rule to this. It doesn't have to be extraordinarily perfect, especially when you're doing it yourself, so don't beat yourself up. If it doesn't come out looking extraordinary, just keep trying, you know, you'll definitely get it. And yes, it takes a while, so you could just dedicate like a weekend if you know you're doing it for the first time and you're not used to having your hands up in the air and on your head. So yeah, that's basically it. So I'm just gonna allow you guys watch and just watch through what I'm doing. It's pretty simple, trust me on it. Like I always say, trust me on it. So like you can see here, I'm just wrapping the kinky hair around the hair, my hair I twisted on the faux locks, just to give it a more seamless finish and so that it doesn't look tacky. And yeah, that's basically it. Just do that back and forth. I didn't have to secure it with rubber bands or anything. I just made sure when I cut the kinky hair or the Afro twist or whatever type of hair you're using, I made sure I made the ends uneven so that when I'm wrapping it, the thinner ends will lock up on the faux locks itself, because you know the hair is kinky, so it has a grip. It grips on, you know, tighter to the lock extension you've already created. So you're just going to do that around, like just like what I'm doing. Just watch what I'm doing and just follow through. You can do this in any color. Most people like to do this in brown, dark brown or black, because it blends most times with the hair color, but I decided to go for red because I was inspired by both Ariel from Little Mermaid and Halle Bailey. So yeah, that's basically it.
Down for me, take a sip of paradise. Here below the lights, all the people looking up. Overhead, a billion fires reflecting in my eyes. We got everything we need. I got you and you got me. We can dance until the lights fall down. I feel alive. I got forever in my eyes. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything when you're by my side. Another ultraviolet night. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything. Fever on your breath. We can run past all the stops. Runaways, we're looking up, chasing another sign. Oh, we do it right, soaking up the painted sky. Overhead, a billion fires reflecting in your eyes. We got everything we need. I got you and you got me. We can dance until the lights fall down. I feel alive. I got forever in my eyes.
So immediately I was done with the hair. This is what it looked like. So I had to trim off some strands that were jutting out, and I washed off my face and I got ready. So you guys are just going to watch now. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share with people. Thank you. Please just subscribe now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I am the girl who's got everything? Look at this drop, dredges untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here, you would think, sure, she's got everything. I've got